Welcome to the best picks. The best Picasso Tiles is probably one of the most popular and versatile building toys on the market, offering a unique blend of creativity, education, and fun for children and adults of all ages and skill levels. And in this video, we will explore why these magnetic tiles are so captivating and what makes them stand out from other construction toys. Number 5. Picasso Toys PTB 112. It's so easy to connect and disconnect these blocks. Get ready for hours of creative building fun. This toy helps children improve hand-eye coordination and learn about colors, counting, and shapes. It's a fun way to foster STEM skills. Made with high-quality materials, it's safe and durable for your child to enjoy. We use the highest standards to ensure your child's safety. It's never too early to spark creativity. Children will learn about colors, shapes, and even architectural design. It makes learning fun and engaging. It's the perfect gift to encourage creativity and STEM education. It's great for individual play or family time. Work together to create amazing structures and share the sense of accomplishment. What we like? It's incredibly easy to connect and disconnect the pieces, maximizing playtime fun. Made with high-quality materials, it ensures your child's safety. If you're looking for a fun and educational toy to boost your child's STEM skills, this is the perfect choice. What people say. These are an excellent toy for a child of any age. I purchased this for a 4-year-old, but it can be for any age group. My kiddos play with these just about every day. There are so many different things they can build with them, and they are so easy to connect together and take apart. My kids can spend at least an hour playing with these at a time, and I don't have to worry about my 9-month-old choking on them except the little eyepieces. I also love that they come in their own box for storage. I didn't have to find a bag or box to place these in. My box also came with a book full of designs to build with the kiddos. My daughter loves building the heart and flute. This was our second time buying this set. We love them so much for our little boy that we have started buying for his little friend's birthday presents. Age 7, but we have been playing with ours for 2 years and they are still in perfect condition. Number 4. Picasso Tiles Marble Run. It promotes problem-solving skills, hand-eye coordination, and improves fine motor skills through playful learning. The magnetic tiles are easy to connect, allowing children to build their own creations using physics and gravity. With 9 different shapes, including slopes and funnels, it enables multi-layered designs. It's scalable. You can build as big as you want by adding more pieces. It encourages STEM learning in a fun and engaging way, making it a perfect educational gift. It's suitable for all learning levels and is great for both boys and girls. Children aged 3 and up can develop creativity and STEM skills. It provides visual learning through colors, shapes, and magnetic polarities. It combines science, technology, engineering, art, and math. It brings out the best in children by encouraging artistic creativity and advanced thinking. It's made with child-safe, non-toxic materials. What we like? This set features a unique marble run design, offering endless creative possibilities for building and play. It's a fantastic way to engage children in STEM learning through hands-on fun. If your child loves building and problem-solving, this will be a hit. What people say. The balls are a great size. The ramps feel a little flimsy and they are a little tough to click into the magnetic pieces, but still so much fun with some help. We are 2 weeks into our homeschool, and this marble run set has been a favorite activity so far with my kids, ages 10, 7, and the 13-year-old even enjoys designing along with her siblings at times. I have really enjoyed watching them learn about engineering and physics along the way as they design the marble run and make adjustments to get the balls all the way to the end. It's his favorite and the first thing he wants to do when he gets here. He can literally spend hours playing with them. They all work so well together, it's hard to imagine there could be a brand they aren't compatible with. We find that using the big base tiles helps give everything added stability. Number 3. Picasso Tiles PT42 Magnetic Blocks. With these magnetic blocks, the possibilities are endless. Build as big as you want, just keep adding more pieces to create your masterpiece. It's never too early to start developing STEM skills. They'll learn colors, shapes, and even magnetic polarity while having fun. These blocks encourage creativity and problem-solving skills. It's a perfect gift for kids to foster their imagination and have hours of fun. It's STEAM learning at its best. They'll develop artistic and technical skills all at once. Watch them explore their creativity and build amazing structures. Made with child-safe, non-toxic materials. It's perfect for individual play or group activities, fostering bonding and teamwork. This 42-piece set is a great introduction to the world of magnetic building blocks. It's ideal for developing early learning skills and sparking a lifelong love of building. Picasso tiles are designed to help children learn colors, numbers, and problem-solving skills. They're a fun and educational way to spend quality time. What we like. The magnetic blocks allow for open-ended building possibilities, letting creativity soar. The variety of fun shapes sparks unique designs. If you want a versatile and engaging building toy to foster creativity, this is it. What people say. They click together magnetically and are colorful and fun to build with. All ages display their creative side as they build various things. No batteries needed. No small parts to worry about. This is my daughter's favorite thing to play with. Every time we play we create something different. We haven't had any break, even though they get stepped on and fall from great heights. They snap together well. Number 2. Picasso Tiles Magnetic Racetrack. Watch them build amazing racetracks with these magnetic tiles. It's fun, educational, and sparks their imagination. These tiles improve problem solving, hand-eye coordination, and fine motor skills. It's learning disguised as fun. The set comes with 2 race cars, adding to the excitement of building and racing. Let the games begin. It's a fantastic way to introduce STEM concepts in a playful manner. They'll be building and learning without even realizing it. The tracks can be built as big as your child's imagination allows. Add more pieces for even more exciting races. Made with child-safe, non-toxic materials, you can rest assured knowing it's safe for your little ones to play with. What we like. It comes with 2 race cars for even more exciting play. Building the racetrack is a fun way to learn STEM concepts. If you're looking for a dynamic and engaging STEM toy, this one is a winner. What people say. The cars have lights and run for quite some time before needing new batteries. It allows for lots of creative play. They allow the kids to use their imagination to create different tracks going up, down, and around different obstacles to create new tracks every time they're used. Number 1. Picasso Tiles 80-piece magnetic tiles. It's a magnetic building block set that lets you create anything you imagine. The possibilities are endless, just add more blocks to make it even bigger. These blocks encourage creativity and imaginative play. They're perfect for kids of all ages, sparking hours of fun and learning. It's a fun way for children to develop STEM skills. They'll learn about colors, shapes, and even magnetic polarities while having a blast. This set combines STEM learning with artistic expression. Kids can build and create, developing their technical and creative sides simultaneously. Made with child-safe, non-toxic materials, it's perfect for individual or group play. It's easy to build and easy to clean up. We're confident you'll love this set. It's a great gift for kids of all ages, providing hours of educational and creative fun. What we like. The unique diamond shapes offer exciting new building possibilities. It's a great way to encourage creativity and STEM learning. If you want a unique and engaging building toy, this is the perfect choice. What people say. They work directly with magnet tiles for a much better price. The magnets are strong enough to hold the assembly of 3 stories. The Picasso tiles feel a bit sturdier than the magnet tiles, and the magnets are just slightly stronger. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.